Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dell XPS seems to have lost precious data, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as accidental deletion, corruption, or even hardware failure. If left unaddressed, you risk losing your important files permanently, which can be frustrating and stressful. To tackle this issue effectively, you will need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement hard drive or SSD if necessary. Now let's get started with the repair process. First, ensure your Dell XPS is switched off and unplugged from any power source. Carefully turn the device over and locate the screws that secure the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Next, take your plastic opening tool and gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips as you work your way around. Once the panel is removed, you will see the hard drive or SSD. If you're experiencing data loss, it's likely that this component needs attention. Disconnect the cables attached to the drive, being careful not to pull too hard as this could damage nearby components. Now, remove the screws that hold the drive in place. Take note of the type of screws used and their locations, as you will need to replace them later. Gently lift the drive out of its housing. If it's faulty, swap it for the new hard drive or SSD you have prepared. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the back panel of your Dell XPS. Align it properly and press down firmly to ensure the clips click back into place. Once secured, reinsert the screws to keep the panel firmly attached. Finally, plug your device back in and power it on to check that everything is functioning correctly. To prevent data loss in the future, consider regularly backing up your important files to an external drive or cloud storage. Keeping your software updated and running regular diagnostics can also help catch potential issues before they become serious problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.